Hello and welcome back. What do we got? We got another question. We've got the product of two consecutive, that's an interesting word, positive numbers is 650. Find the numbers. So what does consecutive mean? So if I have two numbers, 2 and 4, these aren't consecutive because there's a number in between them, 3. So if we had the numbers, let's say 5 and 6, maybe 10 and 11, 100 and 101. These are all consecutive numbers because they follow each other. They just increase by 1. So that's what consecutive means. So we need two numbers that are consecutive that multiply. That's what product means. Product just means multiplying these numbers. So if we let the first number, well, look, we'll use our classic, it's x. That would mean the second number, well, it's just one more, right? Yeah, so it's just going to be x plus 1. That's it. And we know that the product, so we multiply these together, so x times x plus 1. And we want to keep a bracket here because you have two things that are getting multiplied, not just x or 1. And this will equal 650. And that's it. No, we're not done. We obviously have to find x. So let's keep going. Let's expand these brackets. X squared plus x equals 650. Oh, geez, we got to work this out, don't we? Let's subtract 650 from both sides. We will get x squared plus x minus 650 equals 0. Now, we could do the A, C, B method. And if you've got a calculator, you might be able to work this out very quickly and easily. Do you have a calculator on you? Give it a go. See how long it takes you. Pause the video and try it out. I want to try it out myself. I haven't done it. I'll just start multiplying numbers together. And remember, they have to be consecutive. How'd you go? Any luck? Maybe, maybe not. Well, I'll tell you what I got. I got 25 and 26. And we have a positive and a negative multiplying together. And when we add them together, negative 25 and positive 26, we will get 1, which is what we want for B. And when we multiply these two, we get 650. So the ACB method can work nicely, but if you're not that confident, maybe just go straight for the quadratic formula. But now that we have our values, we can split this up. We can write it as x squared plus 26x minus 25x minus 650 equals 0. We can factorize the first two terms. There's just an x in common. So x, open bracket, x plus 26. And then the second two terms, well, these are both negative, so we can take a negative out the front. Negative what though? Negative 25. And we'll be left with x plus 26 equals 0. If you're not sure, double check. Negative 650 divided by negative 25 should give you positive 26. Now, my brackets, they're the same. I will take my x plus 26 out the front, and what am I left with? The first term is just x minus 25 equals 0. Now I can apply my null factor law, and if you've done the quadratic equation, you'll get 2x values, which should be the same as these ones. X plus 26 equals 0, and x minus 24. Oh, that's not a 2. Let's try that again. 25 equals 0. We can rearrange this to get x equals negative 26. And over here we can rearrange this to get x equals 25. One key thing about this problem said that they had to be positive. Is this positive? No, it's out. We're not using it. We only care about this one. This is the good one. X equals 25. That would mean the two numbers, you'll have to trust me, that says the word numbers, are 25, and remember, the first number was x, the second number, x plus 1. So we just add 1 on. That's it. Those are the two numbers. It was just a quadratic problem all along. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.